Year 6. So, we are going to start looking at our history topic in a little bit more detail from now, okay? So this little video is in preparation for our Skype session later this afternoon. Remember to check your groups to find out what time you'll be Skyping with me. Now, we're going to be looking at the Battle of Marathon, and basically I need you to start looking at comparing the different city-states. You will need a pen and a piece of paper for this session, and you will need to take notes about the differences between the two places that we will be looking at. So if you don't have a pen or a piece of paper or a pencil, please pause the video, go and get one, and then come back to watch the rest of this. Okay? You will need these notes for later on for your Skype session with me, and I will be asking you some questions. So our success criteria is to explain how Athens and Sparta were similar and different. I will be looking for you to explain why the Spartans didn't help the Athenians. Okay, and again, you may start to look at the ordering of the events of the Battle of Marathon. Now, looking at Athens and Sparta, they were both Greek city-states, but they were very different. Okay, Athens, for example, was ruled by a democracy. Now, we looked at that a few weeks ago in our class about what democracy was, and they believed that the city should be fairly run. They believed in education, but only for boys. The Athenians wanted to expand their lands. They wanted to make their land bigger, and this led to many, many battles. And in Athens, women and girls didn't have the right to an education, and they were not allowed to have their own businesses or even to participate in business. Wealthy girls could be educated, but only at home. Okay, so that was Athens. Now, looking at Sparta, for example, Sparta was ruled by one king, and he made all of the decisions. Their army was very famous in ancient Greece because it was so powerful. Now, Spartans were raised to be an army. Boys would learn to train to battle from a young age, and it was very, very strict. Okay, so they were learning how to be the warriors and soldiers that made their army so famous and powerful. However, they did not try to invade other cities or claim any lands. Okay, women were not allowed to join the army, but they did have to train, and they had to keep themselves fit and healthy. Okay. So I would like you to make some notes about the similarities and differences between Athens and Sparta. And in our Skype session later, we'll be talking about the main differences between them, maybe any similarities you noticed, and I would like to see what your opinions on these matters were. What did you think about these similarities and differences? What did you think about Athens and Sparta? Would you prefer to be in any particular area? Did you agree or disagree with any of the points that we have raised on? And then this afternoon, we'll be looking more at the Battle of Marathon and what your work is for this afternoon. Okay? So, it's a very short video, but I would like you to make a table about the similarities and differences so that you can use them this afternoon for me. Okay? Okay, thank you very much, Year 6. Have a wonderful morning.